driving a truck all by himself. See, I'm in a tractor. Nobody's in there with him. He's just driving around. And I got all these hay bales I got to do. I got to put them all right here. What's up, guys? We're back in Barnett, Renegade. Out doing some farm chores out here. Got my little nice cowboy hat. That way I can prove I'm on a farm, you know. You don't have to be a cowboy to wear a cowboy hat. But anyways, we're out here just feeding them, checking on animals and all that. But I got a serious question for y'all. What would you name this cow? It is a heifer. She's a beautiful one. Personally, I think chocolate. Just because of how beautiful she is. Look how pretty she is. Just a young one. Mother abandoned her when she was younger. She didn't want nothing to do with her. I think it's just because cows, you know, just didn't have the mother instinct. Might have been the first one, but no longer got that one. We tried letting her nurse off of the mother cow, and she wasn't having none of it. She kept abandoning it. Found it way back in the sticks back there. Out in the 40 acres back here. She was just laying down. Cow mother didn't want nothing to do with her. So I brought her up here to the house. But anyways, yeah, I'm just showing you guys the farm life. If you guys want to see more videos like that, let me know. I'll be glad to show some more farm videos. But we're going to go check on some more animals here. And see how they're doing. Another dog, he was supposed to be, or she was supposed to be leashed up. But she somehow broke the leash. I don't think it was strong enough. But we're going to go check on some more animals here and see what we get done. Well, the next thing we got to do is get these chickens fed. But we're going to go get these hooligans fed. That one over there, man, look at him, he meaner than hell. We got the bone tractor here. Got to close up the feed. Make sure that's all closed up. We got to go check on these other cows too. See how they're doing. And then we'll get on to the chickens. Make my way out here. Get these cows. Not sure where they be at. I'm not seeing them. But there's somewhere back in there. No sense of feeding them since they're on grass. Plenty of it. But, yep, I guess we gotta go check the chickens now. I know that dog is supposed to be locked up. But, you know, farm dogs, they don't really like to stay on a leash very long. Now, just gotta go feed that chicken feed. I don't know exactly where that'll be at. I don't think that's necessarily... Nope, that's cow feed. That's not it. I don't know, guys. We got rock salt over there. Don't want to give that to chickens. We got... Oh, Kansas rock salt. We don't need that. Fall and winter beef marrow. Nope. Shoot, I don't know. See if there's any snakers in there. Definitely don't want them around our chickens around here. Get the store cooked stuff. No barn. Wish I knew where the feed was. I think she's laying right there, guys. She's got that male around her. Oh, there's Kentucky Fried Chicken right there. My coming to yummy food. I think she did say it was in the garage. So we gotta go in the garage. Look at the dog right there, guys. Somehow she broke the leash. Yep. Oh well. It happens. Alright. Take a look at this note here. In garage. Okay, we're going to go into the garage. Got the milk replacer. Man, guys, it is definitely a lot cooler in here. Alright. Look, that's a chicken feed right there. Blindly stick my hand in there. Oh yeah, that's chicken feed right there. Alright. Let's go feed these chickens. These wannabes. In case you wonder, guys, about my tooth that's missing there on my front. It's a long story. What happens? I like my chicken call. That's a cat. We're gonna be a cat. Alright, let's go put it in the chicken house. Ooh, man, look at that garden. Heck yeah. Needs to be turned back. Ooh, okay. Make sure there ain't no snakies around here. Alright. Probably need to get that trap set. I guess I put it in here somewhere. There we go. Then we gotta put this trap out here. I'll put it in here somewhere so we'll get the damn raccoons. Another thing I'm looking for is anything I could see for tracks wise. I'm not seeing no tracks for predators. The only predators I can think of that's around here right now would be chicken hawks. You gotta get a special permit for that. Nope, nothing. Susie, you really need to go. Alright guys, well, I'm going to wrap this up right here. If you guys want to see some more videos like this, let me know in the comment section below. If you also like to get some jerky, make that homemade, pretty good stuff, just comment down below and I'll talk to you guys. Peace out. Barnett Renegade.